Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be reviewing this product called Eylure by London. It's a line and lash adhesive that you would kind of put on like you're doing liquid eyeliner, let it dry, and then apply your lashes so that you don't have to go through the trouble of putting the glue on the lash, waiting it for it to dry, trying to put it on. Because I know when I do that, I used, what glue do I use? Oh, I don't even have it in here. Oh, it's right here, hold on. I usually use this glue, which I feel like is just track glue, basic weave glue, and I just slapped eyelash glue label on it, which is probably bad because I always end up getting in my eye and probably not the best. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, let me try it. I'm pretty sure everybody already talked about this, but it's better late than never. So anyways, this is how the pen looks. Okay, your basic little white pen. I already showed you the box. This is how the box looks. This is how it shows you on the side. You know, it's cute. We're finna try it out. So give me a sec, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead on and apply the glue. This says shake well before you use, so that's what we finna do. I recommend applying 2 to 3 coats of that adhesive and then let it dry. Okay, I'm back, you guys, and I actually really like this freaking product. When I tell you, it feels like my lashes are really secure on there. Okay, the only thing I felt like when if you have on eye makeup, the tip gets dirty. Okay, and I don't know if that's gonna, you know, mess it up in the future or like make it get hard and you won't be able to apply the glue as well. But when I tell you your lashes are on there, honey, your lashes are on there. This is so easy and so simple. I recommend this for anybody who have hard time putting on lashes. This will make you applying lashes so much easier. I know when I first started doing lash, it was so difficult for me to try to apply. Even now, I still have a difficult time trying to apply my lashes, but girl, this has made applying lashes 1,000 times easier. You can even use your hands. You can use tweezers. Girl, if you can use your foot, you can use your foot and put a lash on, honey. This was so simple. I highly recommend this. I only paid $9.99 for this. Seriously, this was $10. This is 10 bucks. You'll get this from your local beauty supplies, not beauty supply store, your local drugstore, like a Walgreens, a CVS, Rite Aid. You'll get this from anywhere. I'm pretty sure everybody has a Walmart, anywhere, okay? Anywhere. Girl, get it online if you want to get online. I really like it. I highly recommend it. I will do this tomorrow. Like, I'll probably do a wear test and let y'all know how it goes and leave it in the comment section below because I want this video to still be put up. But I'm telling you, this is on there, okay? It's on there. And then they also have the one, if you want to use like mascara, not mascara, eyeliner, black eyeliner, you can also use that one too. So I got the clear because I just wanted to show y'all how it would look without it having any eyeliner on there. But you can also get the black one that works as an eyeliner and as an adhesive. So you can easily do your cute wing and apply your lashes. I'm telling you, this is a game changer. It's only 10 bucks and I highly recommend it. Girl, go get it. I'm telling you, if you have problems applying lashes, this will make your life so much easier. I promise you. I really love it. I will continue using this. I've been trying to replace this for the longest because I'm pretty sure it was in that state to use around your eyes. And I have found me somebody to replace it with. So thank you, Eylure. Thank you. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy New Year's, because you will be seeing this video tomorrow, which is the 31st. But Happy New Year's. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you all just have a great day, okay? I love y'all, and I'll see you all in my next video, okay? Bye.